In this book, we embark on a journey that transcends linguistic barriers, exploring the realm of digital marketing in a multilingual landscape and unveiling the secrets to becoming a market leader in a rapidly evolving post-COVID era. The past few years have seen a monumental shift in the way businesses operate. The COVID-19 pandemic brought challenges, forcing organizations to re-evaluate their strategies and adapt to a digital-first world. As the dust begins to settle, a new wave of opportunities emerges, and the importance of multilingual digital marketing strategies becomes more apparent than ever before. My passion for this field and my unwavering belief in the power of effective communication inspired me to write this book. Having witnessed firsthand the struggles and triumphs of businesses operating in diverse markets, I felt compelled to share the knowledge and insights I have gained over the years. With each turn of the page, I aim to equip you with the tools and strategies necessary to navigate the intricate landscape of multilingual digital marketing. This book is not a mere collection of theoretical concepts. It is a culmination of practical wisdom distilled from countless hours of research, experimentation, and collaboration with industry experts. Through in-depth case studies and blueprints from different industries around the world, I present real-world examples that illustrate the challenges faced by businesses operating in multilingual environments. More importantly, I provide you with proven tactics and actionable strategies to overcome these hurdles and establish yourself as a market leader. Whether you are a seasoned digital marketer looking to expand your reach or an entrepreneur seeking to conquer new markets, this book is your guide to unlocking the immense potential of digital marketing. This book is not just about strategies and tactics. It's about embracing the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve, and seizing the opportunities presented by a post-COVID world. You see, it's about understanding the nuances of different cultures. I've been to different countries around the world. I studied different cultures, 18 languages. I know the significance of language and the power of storytelling. When you speak to a person in his or her own language, the connection will be different. I'm experiencing multilingual digital marketing. I have helped major player organizations, and in this book I'm presenting you my experience, my strategies, my tactics that helped organizations to become market leaders in the multilingual digital landscape. I invite you to embark on this transformative journey with me. Let us explore the challenges, celebrate the success, and equip ourselves with the knowledge and the skills to become expert in multilingual digital marketing. With me, you will be able to unlock the doors to global success and establish yourself as a market leader in an ever-evolving digital landscape.